see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Medyo mabigat.
It's alright.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Balik kayo ulit.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Well, thank you. Ako sa National Bookstore. Kasi bibila ko yung red envelope. Yung ampaw ba ang tawag doon? Kuya, nasan yung ampaw niyo na?
Meron din.
Sabi.
Babaw lang po siya.
Okay, thank you po. So, tapos ako sa BLK, nabili ko yung mga gusto kong bilhin. Pero yung shade na gusto ko sana, yung Palm Springs, sold out sila. So, iba na lang yung mga pinagkukuha ako. And, yeah, mamaya siguro makita ko yun sa inyo. Daming ampaw. Pili kayo. Merong short and long. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilan ang laman. Natagalan ako dun sa sa National Bookstore. Ang haba-haba ng pila. Hanap kami ng makakain.
Talaga.
Oo! Ang traffic din dito, guys. Oh. 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 I know, I see her. Mapapicture na naman to dito, oh.
I need a picture.
I need a picture.
Right away.
Alright.
Right food.
Papicturean ko muna to saglit. Dito lang kami. Okay, go there.
Oh, outside.
Go.
Ay, sorry.
Oh, you're next. Okay, you're next. Baba ulit kami. Ay, yung mga napamili natin, oh. Pero hindi ko nga lang alam kung anong meron sa kanila. It's like Filipino food. Huh? Tingnan. Bulalo. Okay. You want that? Ah, you want sinigang. Okay. So, dito na lang tayo. Ano to? Kay Bistro Remedios. Sige, dito lang. Hi, ate. Good for 4, please. Thank you. Thank you. Doon tayo, baba. Diyan na kayo man eh, kuya. Nadala ko ba yung ano? Oh, God. Wala na tayong pang ano.
I'm gonna see if there's anything else. But if I don't want to change my decision.
Okay. What do you want?
I want a sinigang, but I'm gonna see if there's any other stuff. Because there might be other things.
Okay. So we can get different kinds. Sinigang. Ikaw kuya, anong gusto mo? Si mama magtarik-tarik ka. Gusto mo tarik-tarik? Bulalo?
What's that?
Bawal ko nga. Kaya na lang. Ano? Kuya, pili ka kuya kung ano gusto mo.
What's crispy?
Crispy pata. Ha?
Crispy kayang. Kadyang.
Tadyang. Isa crispy pata, baba.
Look. Look. I'm sticking with my sinigang.
Sinigang. Okay. Konta yung sinigang. Kare-kare. Okay. Ikaw kuya, ano gusto mo dyan kuya? Kasi ano naman ito yata eh. Ayan, may adobong pusi.
What? Adobo? Where?
Ayan.
That?
Tapos,
What are you gonna get?
ayan, ito yung drinks ha.
I don't know what to get, but they all look good. Can I get these?
Mango.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Yes, mango. Dab.
Ang dami, masarap. Insaladang Pilipino pa tayo.
I'm getting snigo. What's that? Snigo.
Yeah, I'm gonna get adobo pusit. Yeah, but this is akala niya chicken. It's a prawn.
I thought this was like a cow.
Ito na yun sa kanya. Non-good. Mango and ito guyaban.
Oh, you have to really
Guyaban, yeah. Guyaban. It's sour.
It's okay, try mine. Mine's the best. Mine's better.
So sweet.
Just try the mango now.
I don't want baba.
You can have the one.
Ito na yung aming
Oh, mom, it's an egg.
ensalada. Tagalog.
Mama?
Pata, baba. Ano? What's that?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ayan yung puset. Crispy pata, adobong pusit, gulay, para balance. Meron pa tayong hinintay, kare-kare siya kasi sinigang. Yung fried rice ko, wala pa. Fried rice ako, ba? Ayan, pusit. Try ko nga. Napala-pala ka daw. Good ba ba? Sinda? Bula-bula? Bula-bula. Bulalo? Ano? Siniga?
Oh, yeah.
It's not here yet. Tanda ko rin ng grupo. Ito ano kayo mga kabito? May fried rice, may garlic rice ako in-order. Okay. May yung kare-kare. Kare-kare, sinigang. O, ayan na, Holly, sinigang.
Mom, it's fat.
Mahilig pa naman. Mahilig siya sa taba. Ako di ko kayang kaon.
Mom, that is
Oh,
a
jelly. Gusto niya. Gusto niya yung gusto niya yan. Opo. Sarap. Good. Oh my God, Molly. Ako nangingira. Duwan ka ba? Favorite niya yan. Kaya hindi ako yung bumibiling taba eh. Kasi siya lang, sa mga kuya niya, you don't like that? Wow, yan.
Amo sa kuya niya siya makatami.
Money on the definition and my wife.
Yeah, good.
Kaya mo sa akin.
Correct.
May nababakal kayo ni Dumanda? May nababakal kayo? Diba?
Correct.
Oo.
Anong bumpok? Taste ako nakakakantaya.
Ikaw na kami kasi? Di ba ba? Tapos na kami, pabalik namin ito kasi sayang. Pero masarap ang pagkain nila. Yung kare-kare. Are you busog?
Po.
Busog na busog kami. Balik kami saan? Oy! Balik kami sa BLK kasi malinaw yung binigay sa kanya. What's that supposed to be?
Right.
Great. Okay. Hi!
I'm waiting tayo.
Ito yung masarap na ensaymada ng Mary Grace.
Wow.
Nilagyan ko pala si Holly nitong soft bite. Kasi tingnan nyo, show your ano. Pero dagdagan kong konti. Pagising niya kaninang umaga, sabi niya, Mommy, so I cannot, parang hindi niya
I can't do that.
you cannot stretch out, but you can do this. Yeah, but
A little, because it's like going crunching up like that.
yeah, but the
I
other
can do
way.
it a little like that. But
How about that?
I can't do that. It hurts.
It hurts.
It's like it's pulling it.
So, lagyan natin. As in, mainit din siya.
I'm allergic.
Yeah, allergic siya sa mga bites. Any bites.
Spider, ant, mosquito.
Yeah, any bites.
Yeah.
Okay, put this back there.
Any bugs I can bite.
Okay. So, ito yung... Next time ko na ito i-hold sa iyo, guys. Gusto ko magpahinga. Ito yung mga nabili natin sa BLK. And, mabigat. Ito. BLK. And this is from... Ay, sorry. Sunny's Face.
No, that was my fault because I was going like
Okay.
that.
Happy Skin.
There's like nothing in there.
Where did Lola put it?
I think it's in one of them bags. Yeah, it's in there.
Ginawa to ni Mamang ano. Nilagyan niya to ng yung Jamaica.
Nothing.
Yeah. Okay, ako na baba. Excuse me.
Look at me.
I'm just gonna... Gusto niya nang i-hold yung sa kanya. Pero yung akin, bukas na lang.
What's that?
This is from Mary Grace.
Oh, we got cocoa.
Yeah, with that coco. Ang mura ng coco nila. Yung regular na size, 100 pesos lang. And then yung large size, 110 or 120. So, depende. Yung pearl yata, with milk pearl, 120. Tapos yung regular lang na milk tea ata na walang pearl, 100. So, eto sa Mary Grace, eto raw yung best seller. Kasi ganap ko ng ensaymada. May nakita ko ensaymada sa ano, di ba? Sa Starbucks. Sabi ko, gusto ko siya i-try kasi dami niyang frosting. Mas masarap sa Mary Grace. So, pumunta tayo sa Mary Grace kasi nandun din naman kung nasaan yung mga BLK, Sunny's Face. So, isang lang, sa ground floor. So, eto, gusto ko lang i-try. Eto yung queso de bola na biscuit. Yan. Iniba pa nila yung paper bag. Ayan. And this one is from... Bakit nakalagay Watson? We didn't go to Watson.
Yeah, we did.
What? We didn't.
Yeah.
When?
Remember when?
That was yesterday.
No,
with people.
no. Remember when you went without the bag? When you went just with the money?
Oh no, that's not Watson. That was
Yeah, but you grabbed.
that was National Bookstore.
You grabbed that when we were
No,
about
this
to go
is
to Jamaica. That store. You picked that up.
No, this is Get Ready With Me. Pero what's in your... Yeah, this is makeup. See? So this is from Get Ready With Me. Pero what's in yung kanilang paper? Kaano lang siya, kalinya lang siya ng Happy Skin, BLK, Sunny's Face, Get Ready With Me, Easy. So silang yan, nasa ano lang sila niyan. Doon sa ground floor ng SM no. Sa lower sila. And this
I
is
didn't
the...
know you got that. What
This
is
is
it?
the Ensaymada.
What's the inside?
The one you want me to make.
The money mo ay bayo.
Kaya mo Anma, sabi ni Ma, Holly. Kasi si Holly gusto niyang bumili nga ng tali. What you gonna buy for your dog?
Baseball?
Yeah, what you gonna buy?
Leash?
A leash? Yung tali nga. Leash. Yung tali sa aso. Tapos sabi ni gusto niya sumama. Kasi sa SM hindi na namin kita dami-daming tao. Diyos ko, parang kang nasa labas lang din na ang traffic. Kung traffic, nasa sakyan traffic sa tao doon.
Okay, open it here. Oh.
So, eto yung Ensaymada. Ayan, sa Mary Grace. Anim siya, nasa 400 plus. Anim ang laman, 400 plus. Eto din, 400 plus din to. Yung yung queso de bola. So, pag masarap yung queso de bola na yon, bili ako. Wala. Nagluto ka na.
Di, kas bago.
Tapos sa bagagaw, ano? Tapos sa bagagaw sa daan yung
So, pinamaha. Dahil naman baga na ka. So, ay, kauno na rin. Dahil na kami maka.
pamanggi.
Dahil na, boss. Ikaw, pamanggi ka pa, ma? Anong oras na? Alasing, busog na kami. Dang,
Kung darami.
Oo, kasi ang dami pa nun. Crispy pata.
Hindi ko na kumaluto, adi.
Di ka na lang magluto. Huwag ka na magluto.
Ano yun eh? Crispy pata yan?
Crispy pata tsaka kare-kare ate. Yan na lang ulam. Di, kasi dinala namin yung tira namin. Kasi ang dami pang tirang crispy pata at tsaka kare-kare. Ay, ask mo si Kuya. Kakain niya si Kuya, yung nag-drive sa amin. Oo. Gusto niya yung kare-kare. O mama, ilabas mo na lang yan. Eto yung, kaya kayo pumunta ng SM, kasi alam ko sa SM lang itong mabibili ata, si Jamaica. Kasi nung pumunta kami ng UP Town, wala sila.
That's kind of fruit.
No. Ayan, Jamaican Patty Shop. Nung college. Nandito ako sa Manila pag nag-SM kami, eto lagi ang gustong-gusto kong kinakain. Hindi siya mataba, ha? Very, lang talaga siya. Itong gusto kong matutunan gawin. Ganyan lang siya, Tapos, manipis. Pero sobrang lasa niya. Itong gusto kong matutunan na gawin. So, sabi ni ate, pwede raw ito i-freezer. So, bumili ako ng 1, 2, tapos binigyan ko na sila ate para merienda nila. Tsaka si Kuya. 2, 3, 4,
57 in there.
5, 6. So, meron ditong cheesy. Meron cheesy dito. Cheesy lang. Cheesy beef patty.
And
Tapos,
7.
ito yung cheesy nilagyan yung pangalan, no? Kasi isa lang naman gusto kong itry. But the rest is spicy beef. Mainit pa ito. Masarap sana itong kainin mo. Mainit pa. Kaso busog pa ako. As in. Yeah, it's still hot. This is really good. So, pag lumamig to, ipapalagay ko to sa freezer. Kasi sabi niya, ate, pwede raw itong i-freezer. Tapos, init-initin na lang. Kasi hindi naman tayo mag-SM everyday. Sa sobrang traffic, my God. Hopefully, makadala ko nito. Sana makadala ko nito sa Australia. Tapos, i-ano ko na lang. I-declare lang ba? Kasi napaka-strict sa Australia pang mga food.
Happy Month?
Gusto niyang mag-haul. Alright, go.
Okay, so we went to B.
BLK. I will find yours. BLK. Si Mama. Ano ba yun sa'yo, Ma? Nakalimutan ko na. Eto. Bumili rin ako yung, anong tawag dito? Ampaw? Ampaw ba, Ma? Bumili ako ampaw.
Masabihin kami, manita ko.
Bumili ako ampaw kasi yung may mga pinsan akong maliliit o pamangkin na maliliit. Tapos meron din akong binili maliit na ayan.
Look, my mouth is drying out.
Ha?
Look,
What?
it's like steam.
It's getting blister. So we asked Tika. Okay, where's yours? It's not here.
My bag is. Mine's in here. Mama.
Ayun yung mga kuko pa yan.
Wala nang laman yan, Ma. Mayroong isa yung... Ininom mo na ba sa'yo?
Hindi mo nabagsa ko.
So, ito yung bag ng Coco. So, kumuha ko yung regular in-order ko lang din sa Australia. At saka yung passion slushy. Pinalagay ko lang muna sa ref kasi busog na busog ako.
I got my mom.
Is that yours? Is that what you got?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Akin ang kabuong.
Ito, mabusin mo.
Where's my bag?
Busog ka na? What bag?
My
Ay,
bag.
sayang ka ni Chu.
Wait. What color you want?
Tapos
Because you can just have one.
Chu,
Yeah, not the other.
itapo ko na ni.
So, I think 3,000 plus, makakakuha kayo ng free makeup pouch.
This is mine. I got light pink.
Yeah, like hindi ko lang, basta more than 3,000.
So this is red.
So, that's the free.
Yeah, this is the front.
Mag-ano pa, mag-edit ako para matapos ko ng late vlogs ko. And thank you, say thank you everyone na nag-say hi sa'yo. Wait, listen. Say thank you whoever say hi to you.
Thank you whoever said hi to us and taking a photo with us.
Thank you. So, every time na kung saan kayo mapunta, na hindi ko na may nasa, saan kayo pumunta, like BGC, and Mega Mall, Uptown Mall, SM North. Thank you po sa mga nagsisay hi, nagpapapicture. Thank you.
Sorry,
Nagugulat sila kasi hindi ko pa nga na-announce, di ba, na kasi nga late vlogs tayo, hindi ko pa nasabi sa kanila na nandito tayo sa Pinas. So, nagugulat na lang sila, wala, nandito kayo. Thank you guys. Merry Christmas. Okay.
so I got a light pink
Jelly pouch.
jelly pouch with a red zip. Let's see.
Ang ganda. It's easy to clean.
Yeah, it's really easy. I'm just gonna, and then this is the inside. Light pink. So what I got, I'm gonna open them. I got the glossy fruit pop, and it's a lip balm, and it says, and it's purple punch.
What's the shade? Let me see what happened to your okay. Nag-ano yung ano niya, yung parang yung nilagay natin na cream, para siyang nagbabalat. I think that's the gel. This is gel. Hindi ko na kasi ito. Okay.
I swear someone said my name.
Hydrochloride. Basta, ayan siya guys. Hindi ko mabasa. Okay. Antok na ako.
Can you help me open this while I show this one? Okay. I got the BLK Pop Blush Stamp.
And
And
tell
it's a Pop a Melon. Pop a Melon.
shade is?
Shade is...
Yeah, that one. The pop melon. Is it
I
pop melon?
already said that.
Yeah, that's, you have to say, the shade is pop
Pop a Melon.
a melon.
I'm
And
just gonna rip the box.
this is for kids. So,
Yeah.
meron na yung BLK. Hindi ko
It's
alam.
safe.
Hindi ko alam kung alam nyo. But, yeah, bago lang daw to for kids. So, para hindi niya na ginagamit yung akin.
So don't get mad at us that I'm not allowed makeup. This is for kids.
This is for kids. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you what it actually is.
Ang pangit naman ang pagka-unbox mo, Baba. Is that the way you unbox it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is what it looks like. They got a mirror. Oh, yeah. Mirror. Just gonna peel the thing. Oh.
Yan, haba kasi ng kuko. Ayan na. ASMR.
Oh yeah, ASMR.
You have to show them when you open that one.
Oh, you made it.
Okay.
Okay, so I got a mirror.
So how you open that one?
Sorry.
What's this one? Blush?
Yeah, blush.
Oh, is that what it looks like?
Sorry, that's
Oh,
not it.
akala ko ito siya puti. So you have to explain.
So it's a heart. It's just
Sponge.
yeah,
Like
it's a heart sponge. It goes
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like it pushes.
Parang, stop.
yes, like a stamp.
So where's... Ang tagal naman ito mag-unboxing.
Sorry about the wait.
Ang haba kasi ng kuko. You have to show them how to...
Like that's what it looks like. Like that, and then you push it in, and then
Don't push in here because it's dirty.
and then you go.
Okay.
Not gonna use
Try.
it. Me?
Yeah, just stamp on your hand. Antok talaga ako. Ayan siya. Parang may pagka-oil.
You made me waste it.
Oh, that's how you unbox and
And then I'll
you have to
show
show the
and I'll
shape.
show you what it when I rub it in.
Pambata daw to eh. Okay, next.
Okay, next. Sorry about the wait. Got the glossy fruit pop. The shade is purple punch. The scent is glossy
So
fruit
what's
pop.
that? Lip balm? Or...
Yeah, lip balm. Okay, I'm just gonna rip the box. Got it ready?
Yeah, mahal yung Happy Skin. Mahal siya. Hindi ako kasi yung BLK hindi naman ganun kamahal. That's my belly. Nasa 600, parang pa 700 na yung Ipakita ko sa inyo, ma'am. Ang tak na kasi parang gusto ko mag-nap, gusto ko mag-edit, hindi ko alam kung anong unahin ko. Ako na ba eh?
Guys, I like this. And it's actually
Kainin mo na yung habang mainit pa yung empanada. Masarap, maanghang ba? Mas malasa, di ba? Manipis lang siya, pero masarap.
really cute.
Oo, no worries. Ito, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Parang ang ganda ng package. Oh, nice
So
packaging.
it looks like it's grape on the top, and it's like a lolly.
Like crystal.
Yeah, I twist it. I will show you.
Napakita niyo na yan kasi ang 16 minutes siya dun nag-vlog sa BLK. Oh. Try on the lips. Smell. Oh, it smells so masarap. Ang dami mo ng lip gloss. So you put all here. Ang ganda nito, jelly.
So it looks like on my lips.
All good now, tayo.
I'm gonna put them in.
Here. But you cannot bring this one because this is bulky.
What do you
So
mean?
this one, you're just gonna leave this in the house. And then you just put all your stuff here. Here. And then if you wanna bring one, you just grab it from here. And just put in your bag. Because you cannot bring this.
Only if I'm. Wait, I can't bring this to the airport.
Yeah, but in the bag.
What do you mean in the bag?
In your bag. Your backpack. Put in your backpack.
We're going on holidays. I'm doing it.
Yeah, that your leash.
We're getting the leash, guys. Oh, I think I'll put my bag upstairs.
Bring your money. Ang dami niya ng pera. Kasi lahat ng...
Okay.
Ang pera dito, yung coins, 20 pesos. Hoy, bring your money. Where's your bag?
Upstairs.
Okay. Alright guys, mag-edit ako. Hindi pa sila makaalis. Painumin ko si Holly ng ng Claritin. Patsuko ba sa kanya?
I just when I put it down, it feels like it's pulling me.
It's like pulling
Yeah,
you.
it's like pulling me.
Show this one. Diba? Hindi pa nga tayo nakaka-uwi ng Bicol. Yan, itry ko na apply itong isa. Soft cream. Gentle formula for sensitive skin. Ayan, Dermade. Yung isa, soft bite. Yung soft bite, para siyang show it to them. Para siyang namamalat pag linagay mo na. Ayan. May dala niya na pera, mama. Ay, ibayad mo yung mga tig-20 para hindi mabigat yung kanyang bag.
Taraman mo, kabaka mo, dilag sa
You give the 20s, all the coins. Not the bills. Coins. Because you got lots of 20s. Okay? Nakabalik na pala sila, mama. Hindi sila nakakuha ng ng pantali sa kanyang aso. So, ang ginawa ni mama, show them, baba. Hinanapan na lang siya ni mama ng tali. Ito yung mga ribbon sa mga dito. Isa sa mga ribbon ng mga
I'm
cakes.
still
So,
getting
ayan.
one in Bicol.
Oh, gusto niya pa rin kumuha sa Bicol. And ito yung kay mother sa kanyang blush. What shade, Holly? What shade?
Cocoa Crush.
Ha?
Cocoa Crush.
Coco Crush. Okay, try ko kay mother. Nakabihis na si mother. Mamaya na mama ako na niya. Dapat kunti lang ilalagay. Ayan yung applicator.
Ayun na lang gadaan, Jo.
Ito.
Oo. Ayun pala yan.
Buhay na buhay naman yung lips mo. Ha, saan? Ayan. Ang cheek mo yan, hindi mo. Siyempre, wala ang buto. Nakulong mo, garo kang nasa pack. Iyo. Kaya dapat diit lang. As in, diit. Diit means konti lang. Tapos maglagay dito sa dungo mong diit.
Kaya yan man.
Hindi na. Sa tada sa kamot mo. Iarog-arog mo ka. Ito daw ang kamukha ko. Kamukha ba talaga kita?
Oo naman.
Nung kabataan mo. No?
Mm-mm.
Ang ganda nito ng
Bagay sa
kabataan.
mga-
Maganda ka pa naman. Ano lang, may kulubot. Kailangan mo pa-botox.
Ito pa kayo ng kantina.
Ayan.
Ano ba natin?
Oh, ayan. Oh, eto. Sabi niya, 2 years niya daw to kasi kunting-kunti lang talaga. Baka mag-expired naman. Mas 6 months lang ata to. Hanggang 6 months lang. Okay na. Sa lips mo. Pwede to sa lips. Huh? Pwede ba to sa lips? Oo, lip and cheek to eh. Kung nasan mang lips mo. Tingnan natin kung bagay din sa lips mo. Ano lang, hindi ako nagmana sa lips mo, ma. Kasi ang liit ng lips niya. Tipid ka sa lipstick. Pero mas maganda yung nakuha ko sa'yo sa Absidy. Ito, pan-cheeks mo lang to. Sige. Pwede din. Pero mas maganda yung sa Absidy na yung orchid na shade. Maganda sa kanya. Ito, yung gamit ko. Kukuha din ako nun. Tapos pinatungan ko lang to ng yung Pouty P ni Black Skin. Bagay ba? Tingin. Tingnan nga. Uy, dito ka, uy. Maganda rin to. Pag naglalagay ka ng lipstick, yung dito mo sa gilid mo, yung maitim dyan, lalagyan mo para matabunan. Tapos konti lang talaga. Diba? Kompleto ka na. May pang-blush on ka na. Nabagay din to sa'yo, ma. So, 1 year na lang to kasi kung 2 years sa cheeks mo lang. Ngayon, lip and cheeks, 1 year na lang ang lifestyle nito.
Pwede.
Okay? Yan. Ganda. O, sige na. Kaya, sabi ko, gagamitin mo rin sa lips. Bagay din sa lips mo, ma.
Lalo lang ito kayo. Bakal daw.
Wow. So, banggi na pala. Ay, ganyan. Tapos, iyan, mama, ano siya? Long last din yan. Ito, kumain na ako, guys. Try ko nga sa lips ko. Kumain na ako. Yung lipstick na hiniram ko sa'yo.
Ayun pa yan.
Kumain na ako.
Kumain ka may lipstick.
May lipstick pa nga. Ay, altan mo. Dako lumbaga na, ano mo, ano.
Bako man pala siya paano, Jo.
Iyo, paano yan?
Oh, magaya mga Jo sa lips. Oh.
Ayan, ang sarap. Ang bango. Lagay ko ng konti. For hygienic kasi, mas okay lang din sa lips lang to. Pero wag mo na lang ipairam kahit kanino. Dapat kailangan din malinis yung...
Tatabuin ko yan.
Hindi, meron din si unit to eh.
Ay,
Diba?
ba?
Bibigyan ko sila. Pabango yung kanya. Kung gusto mo, pahiraman mo.
Paka-lipstick ko rin.
Maganda.
Ay, magayan, Jo. Oh, di ba?
Ang ganda to.
Hindi, Jo, ang dungo mo. Lalo na pag kinakagana. Para sa dungo ta?
Hindi ko alam. Kanino bang? Si Papa yata ang ilong ko.
Hindi. Si Lolo mo.
Ah, Lolo. Ah,
Papa ko. Di
ah
ba?
Lolo.
Nararamdaman.
Lolo. Oo, Lolo. Sa side ni Mama Ro yung ilong ko.
Ramdaman mo sa na pointed.
Pag ganun kuya, Ma. Lolo,
Buka
baka
na
ba?
si Chuna.
Hindi, binibiro ko yung mga bata. Kasi gusto kong magpatangos ng ilong. Sabi ng mga bata, no, Mom, you're gonna be look like Michael Jackson. No, 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 no way. Ayaw nila. Hindi naman yung dito lang ba, tabas, hindi naman, dito lang ito hindi gagalawin. Gusto ko lang konting yung para kasi pag ngumiti ako, asin na siyang gumagano. Di ba, nagaganon, parang nagbibisngag. Pero ayaw nila. Sabi ni Jan, no way.
Sabihin dyan.
No, wala. So, wag na natin. I-contour na lang natin. Alright, so mag-edit na ako guys. Ano na tayo ha? Nag-mall na tayo ha. Yung lipstick kong ginamit. Bibili rin ako nun sa Absidy. Maganda yun. Orchid siya na shade. Maganda siya. As in long last din. Kasi kumain na kami, di ba? Kare-kare, crispy pata, sinigang, pusit. Pag may nakita kayong itim sa ngipin ko, nagpusit po kami kanina. Okay. Guys, kakain si Holly. Nagugutom daw siya.
Hands are big and swollen.
Swollen. Ang
And it
grabe.
feels really hot.
Hot.
On my fingers.
Your fingers too? What do you mean?
Like my fingers are hurting.
All this?
Just this one.
This one? Ito yung kinakatakot at kinakainisan ko. Pag nakakagat siya
Feel
na.
like this is my worst one.
You think so?
Or remember that time when you had to put that baking soda on my legs?
Yes.
That was my worst one.
Okay.
This is my second.
So,
How am I gonna eat?
you want me to feed you?
Yes, please. Because I have to use this hand. And it hurts. And when I put it down, it's like tight.
Tart. Ito kasi marami pa. Yung crispy pata. Tsaka yung kare-kare.
Did you bring the curry?
Kare-kare, yeah.
Why not sinigang?
Because the sinigang is just like the gulay, the
I
veggies.
just want the soup and
I
the
know.
veggies.
Oh, I didn't know. You should have told me.
I thought you were gonna get this.
No, I just get the one with the meat. Like this. What do you do with the BLK Sunny's face?
Video?
Nag-ano siya guys,
Non-stop
feeling niya
pa siya?
commercial, nag-ano siya ng parang, what did you do? Like,
I showed them they have
yes, kung ano yung
kids
pinagsasabi
product.
niya, for kids product, and then the BLK, what?
This is my normal with no mosquito, and this is the one with mosquito. So with the one with the mosquito, and not the one with the mosquito.
Ano siya, namamaga talaga.
This is it.
Basta, abangan nyo na lang yan sa Reels.
I'm gonna sleep with this.
Oh, no. Hi.
How
You're
do you
good.
my hand?
You're good on your side because I'm on this side, so I won't touch it.
Not touch it. You better not touch it.
No, I won't because you're sleeping on the other side anyway. So
I felt this way. You
no,
felt
you
that
that
way.
way, that way.
But
Kaya kainin ko muna siya.
I felt this way.
Gusto kong itry yung kasi busog ako. Itry ko na lang to.
I wanna try.
Yeah, later after you eat. Itong keso kasi pag masarap talaga to, magdadala
They
tayo.
said you have
Magdadala.
to build this up. They said it's the best seller.
Yeah, bestseller. Kasi tinanong ko siya. Nakita ko lang to. Naka-display doon. Grabe naman ang podcast here.
Guys, we had to tell them our name.
Yeah.
I thought they would just give it to us, but it took like
Yeah, parang 15 minutes pa
Yeah.
kami naghintay. Akala ko, i-hand in lang after namin mag-pay. Sabi niya, ma'am, upo muna kayo. Tatawagin na lang yung pangalan niyo. It's like you're ordering food. Yeah. Ganun yung sistema dun sa Mary Grace. Kasi nandun na, pinili ko isa. Nasa box naman eh. So, pagbayad ko, binigay niya lang yung ticket, ay yung receipt. And hindi niya binigay yung product. Sabi, ma'am, tawagin na lang po kayo. Siguro madami silang order din. Kaya, gusto ko rin sanang bilhin yung, ano ba tawag doon? Yung milk bread. Parang ang soft-soft. O sold
I'm
out
ready
the...
to peel the whole thing off.
No, may keso nga. What's the smells like?
Milk, like the milk chocolate.
No? Smell. What can you smell? Aside from that. Milky ang amoy.
That cheese thing you made.
Yeah, that's right.
In Red Mart. I
Mm.
just want a little bit.
No, you have to eat it.
Don't say then.
Parang nagme-melt siya sa ano mo.
Excuse me, you still got me to feed.
Nagme-melt siya sa ano yung gal.
Melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
Like
Ay,
Dairy
bibili ako.
Floss.
Bibili tayo yan. Bibili tayo nito. Sana matagal ang expiration. Ay, next year, February 2026. So, pagbalik natin, baka mas mataas na yung ano. Kasi bago na magbalik tayo January dito. Ano lang, December, January, 3 months. So,
are you sure we're gonna finish that in 3 months? That looks like a lot. No, February in 2026.
Next year. Stop mo. No, I'm gonna try the inside model.
Oh, the like cake one.
The calories
I want to see what it
is...
smells like and see if it will smell like.
Oh, it smells good. Diba?
Oh, Mom, they used it green.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of
Ayan,
sound-
nakalagay Mary Grace.
I thought it.
Okay. Okay, try natin itong Mary Grace inside Mara. Okay. Maliit lang siya. Mine is, ay, there's a lot of cheese comes out. Ano ba ito? Powder? Okay. Meron siyang
Then that is like flour. Looks good.
powder. Kakaiba siya. Dito muna. Kayo din.
Oh, it looks like sugar.
I let Holly try this and she can tell what it tastes like. Kasi ako, okay lang. Para sa akin. Powder siya.
There's like cream to make it.
Do you wanna
sweet.
try? Drink water first. Hindi ko siya pinatry doon sa isa kasi sabi ko kumain muna. Pero eto, gusto ko siyang ipatry sa kanya kasi nga gumagawa ako nito. Be honest, okay?
Be honest, right?
I don't know.
Well, what do I say? To be honest.
What do you think about this bread? Ito yung ensaymada. Ano? No. Come on, chew it. Kakaiba siya kasi iba yung ang nilook forward ko is yung ano ba yung regular na ensaymada katulad yung sa Starbucks na creamy, yung ano hindi powder. Ito powder eh.
Without the powder, it'll be better.
Yeah.
I'll just go like that.
You don't like the powder. Oh, yung powder niya para siyang ano. Is it similar with mommy?
Not at all.
Not at all. Ang layo niya sa ano ko, sa ensaymada ko. Iba siya.
The bread, yes, not the topping.
Yeah, the bread softness is yes,
Good.
but the topping,
Not
Yeah.
the thing.
yeah, so iba. Kasi powder siya. Para siyang ano,
You like put like the cheese spread, like the
the other one.
thin ones?
Yeah. Ito yung para siyang parmesan cheese.
Can you put that down for a second
Right?
and feed me, please?
I'm sorry.
hungry.
Welcome. Pero masarap siya. Pero kung
The bread is, but not the topping.
yung ensaymada na nilulook forward nyo is yung creamy, cheesy,
That's like you.
hindi siya yon. Para siyang ano nga, powder na parmesan cheese.
Guys, if you're wondering what that, like, it looks like skin, it's not. It's not skin.
Pero yung
It's
softness
it's
ng
just
bread,
a thing
good.
from the medicine.
Mhm.
Boba cream.
Mhm.
Medicine like made it
Okay.
feel better.
Kainin ko to. Mhm.
Time